Hello everyone and welcome back to the TechyStack channel. So in this session we are trying to learn these concepts of Python and why we are using this Python. Now these days Python will be the very popular and most of the things are doing with this Python AI, this and all doing with the help of Python because it has a multiple libraries which is available, predefined available. So that's why we are using this Python. So here I'm not exploring anything to how we can download Python or just I will show you. So just go to Python and type here Python download. So and go to this Python download and you can see this which version you want. You can just go and download this Python application in your machine. And right now here I'm going with this Google Colab. So why I choose this Google Colab means without Python application also I can run and test for the thing. So and one more the thing is, for example, who are the beginners come here, so they don't know, they don't want to see any videos, they don't want, just simple they want to learn. So you can see this here generate option is there. So for example, I want to just addition of two numbers, addition of two numbers. So once I click hit on enter, so it will give this the addition of two numbers, and it, on the top side we can see this prompt addition of two numbers. So this is a way one of the advantage why I chose this Google Colab. So similar way we have some other as well, but I'm going with this Google Colab. So how you come to this page means just go to new tab and mention Google Colab. So on the first one, welcome to the Google Colab, Google. So you can just go enter inside and it will ask the login to your Gmail account and you can open which one you want. So as of now, I'm not opening anything because already I've opened this one. So this is two advantages which I prefer go with Google Colab for the user friendly, and some other things are there. So you can lively, you can debug the code as well. Those other steps are available. So this is the thing why I chose Google Colab. So now when come to this Python tutorial, first we'll try to learn what is a print function. So the print function is a print we call this function. I will tell you why it called a function, and it is a predefined thing is available in the Python. So why you are using this print function is, for example, you are doing some code, after a couple of days I want to check the output. So for the step thing, so we are using this print. So this is the first thing which you can learn from the Python when you started. And you can see this print, we can see these augments. So separate, end, what is the end, file number. So these are all not required. Just we'll go to this and print. So print, it will ask the some prompt here, prompt with some kind of text which is taken into the double quotes and single quotes and triple quotes as well. We'll see the three conditions. So welcome to Python world. So once this everything is complete, you can see this play button. You can just click on the play button, or you can just enter shift plus enter. So based on your comfort level, so you can choose anything is fine. So right now you saw this double quotes, and now we'll go with this single quotes. How it will work for the single quotes. So if you see one single quote here and one double quote here, it will won't work. It will throw the syntax error. We'll see what type of syntax error. So it will say the print. This is a print and welcome. So it's saying here you have the some issue. So either you should change here or you should change here. And it's saying the syntax error, undetermined string literal detect at line number 2. So this is the line number 2. Here only the problem is we cannot see the which line is available. So when you go to Visual Studio, there you can see the line number 1, 2 and so on. So that is a different thing, but basic when you're practicing for this is fine. So once you upgrade everything is known, then go and switch to that Visual Studio as well. So you can change this here and I will hit. So now it's I will make this as world 1. So you can see these two things are available. I mean, two things got printed, and similar way we can use triple quotes. So you can just update triple quotes and mention another triple quotes. And in this one, I will make this as a Python world 2, just for our understanding purpose. So now you can see these three methods are we are using. One is a print with double quotes we can use. So I will put here double quotes. So here one more the thing is we can learn this hash. So what is the hash? So why it's not it color has a different which is available from it. So the hash which is nothing but as the comments. So for example, right now you are I'm just now this is the thing. So I'm learning this one as of now. I can remember after a couple of days why I use double quotes, why I use single quotes, why I use triple quotes. What is the difference between these three things? I don't know. I might be the forget. So for that purpose, I'm using with these things: double quotes, single quote, quotes, quotes, quotes. It might be spell mistake, no problem. Sorry, quotes, quotes, quotes. So single quotes, and this is triple single quotes. So this is the advantage when you, for example, if you write the code, immediately you can put the comments. So after a couple of days, you can able to see these comments, why we are using these comments, why these are all things will understand once you go in step by step in deep of the Python. Okay, now these things is done. The next, how we can say that Python is predefined function or built-in function or might be the method. So what is the proof of that? If you say here we have the type. So I want to check what is the type of the print. So just enter the type and you can print it. So here it won't print anything here. It will give this what is the type of this print. So you can see this print is a predefined function or built-in function or might be the method. So already it is available in Python language. No need to create any other functions. So that's why we can call this as a built-in function or predefined function or might be the method. So these are general things we need to understand when you start as a when you start learning the Python programming. So these are the very base step, and later upcoming things we can try to learn how we are using these variables, why we are using these variables, how many types of variables like integer, string, so and so are there available. So these and all we can learn upcoming tutorials. And adding one more point here, so the print, again I'm putting the print. So whatever you pass in this double quotes now, it will act as a string. So let it change this. So for example, right now I have passed some data, some random text and some random numbers and some special characters. So whatever the data I enter in this double quote text, it will act as a string. So now when I run this snippet of this code, it will show the output. So you can see this. So this is the way. So when you say print under the print function, whatever the data you passed, so it will directly convert it into the string and display the output. So that's why first you try to understand what is the print, how it will works, then what is the type of the print. So these two things you need to understand. Then next upcoming sessions we will try to learn deep concepts of this.